Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Mountain Dew brownies. Now this was requested by so many people, so thank you so much for requesting I make this. For right now, keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. Now the first thing we need to do to make this is start off with a large microwavable dish, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of white chocolate. Also going to add a half a cup of butter. We're just going to microwave this 30 seconds at a time until it's completely melted. Alright, so our butter and chocolate mixture is done melting. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in 1 large egg, 1 can of 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, add about a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And because these are going to be Mountain Dew brownies, I'm going to add in some Mountain Dew syrup, which I made in different videos. I'll put a link below where you can find out where I made this syrup. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of it, or 2 teaspoons of this Mountain Dew syrup, because I want to make sure we get that Mountain Dew flavor in there. And of course, some green food coloring because it is Mountain Dew after all, right? Now just mix this up until everything's well combined. And after a while mixing, you should get this nice consistent color of green. Next, I'm going to switch to a very large bowl and I'm going to pour in our green mixture here. And I'm only doing this because I need the space because we're going to add the flour in now. Next, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And this we just want to fold in. Fold that flour into our mixture here. Just until it's combined. Alright, so once it's combined, you can stop folding it in. Now I'm going to prepare an 8x8 baking dish. I'm just going to put some butter in here and coat it really good. Up the sides a bit. Now I've already preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and now we're just going to pour this into our baking dish here. And we just smooth it out, make it nice and even. Now just take this, put this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. Alright, so our brownies are done. They were in the oven for about 30 minutes, and I stuck a toothpick through just to see if it comes out clean, and they're done. Now we're just going to let them cool down completely before we cut them up and serve them. Once your brownies have cooled down completely, we are going to cut them up, and I'm going to cut them up straight down the line like this. I cannot wait to try these out. They already smell good, I can tell you that. And look at all the color on this. See all that green? Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to bite into one of these Mountain Dew brownies and see how it tastes. Here we go. Has a very interesting taste. You can taste the Mountain Dew in there. It's almost like chocolate Mountain Dew because we made white chocolate and we kind of put that Mountain Dew flavoring in there, and it has a strange taste. It's good, it's just, it's weird. It's a weird combination, but I had to give it a try. It's pretty good though. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Mountain Dew brownies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Also, hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to get new videos all the time. Be sure to check out some of the other videos I have off to the side as well. And as always, I'll see you next time.